Hello students, in this video we are going to see about 2-mark questions which are involved in BSc Degree Mathematics and which has the complementary course MM1 CMT01. So let us solve some questions which are in part A of July 2022 and it is in first semester. So the first question says about find the value of dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y at the point 4, minus 5 if f of xy is equal to x square plus 3xy plus y minus 1. So first we are given with the function in terms of xy. So first let us find dou f by dou x. That means partial differentiation with respect to x. So what will happen here? This will become 2x plus and 3xy we are differentiating with respect to x. So it will become 3y and y we don't have x here, so this will become 0, and here also we don't have any x here, so this will also become 0. At the same time we will find dou f by dou y. So what will be the answer here? Now we will differentiate with respect to y. So here x squared, the first term, it doesn't have any y term, so it will become 0. So we won't take this part. And second term we have 3xy, and differentiating partially with respect to y, this will become 3x. Then coming to the next term, we have y. So when differentiating y, we will get 1 and the constant term will become 0. Now the question also says that at the point 4, minus 5. So now let us use the point 4, minus 5. That is x has taken as 4 and y has taken as minus 5. Then our dou f by dou x will become 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 5. So what will be the answer here? 8 minus 15. So that will be equal to minus 7. Same time we will have dou f by dou y, that will be equal to, so here we don't have y part, so we don't consider the minus 5 and we will put 4 here. So this will become 3 into 4 plus 1, which is equal to 12 plus 1, which is equal to 13. So let us write our answer. So here our answer will be dou f by dou x is equal to minus 7 and dou f by dou y will be equal to 13. I hope you understood the first question. Now let us move on to the second question. Now let us solve the second question. So here, as we did earlier, the same way only we are going to follow. So we have to find the second partial derivative. So that's what it is mentioned. So we have to find dou squared f by dou x squared and dou squared f by dou y squared in the function which has xy, and it is given like this. So first let us write the function here. F of xy is equal to x plus y plus xy. So first let us find the dou f by dou x. So partially differentiating f with respect to x, it will become 1 plus, and this value xy, y will become 0, and xy, if we differentiate with respect to x, the value will become y. And again, if we do dou squared f by dou x squared, the second time differentiating with respect to x, as we see here, x is not involved in the first order, in the first part, and if we differentiate with respect to x, here the constant will become 0 and y also doesn't have any x term, so this will become automatically 0. Now coming to the next, dou f by dou y. So that will be equal to, so here as we see here, x will become 0 and y we are differentiating partially with respect to y. So y will become 1 and xy will become x. And when we do second time, that is dou squared f by dou y squared. So we have to differentiate with respect to y for the second time. So as we see here, we don't see any y term in this. So automatically this will also become 0. I hope you understood the second problem. So the answer here is dou squared f by dou x squared equal to 0 and dou squared f by dou y squared is equal to 0. Now let us write down the answer. So it will be dou squared f by dou x squared and dou squared f by dou y squared is equal to 0. Now let us move on to the next question. In this question, we have x is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, and we have to find x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 and x power 4 minus x power 4. First, we have to understand the question, what is given. So we are given that x is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, and we know that this value, that is cos theta plus I sin theta, can be written in the form of x is equal to e power I theta. So if we know this, we can proceed to find out the answer for the given question. So now taking x is equal to e power I theta, we can proceed to find. So we are given that x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is the first part. That's what we have to find. So here, instead of e power x power 4, we can write it as e power I theta the whole power 4 plus 1 by e power I theta the whole power 4. So this can be further written as e power 4 I theta, and the denominator part can be written in terms of negative power. So this will become e power minus 4 I theta. I hope you understood this part. So now let us write as per the given condition. So we have e power I theta means that is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So at the same way, we have e power 4 I theta. So this can be written as cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta, right? And the same way, e power minus 4 I theta can be written as cos 4 theta. Since here we have minus, so let us put minus here. So I'll write it like this, cos minus 4 theta plus I sin minus 4 theta, because we have minus here. So I'm writing it in this way. Now this can be written as cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta, and we also know that cos of minus theta, that is cos of minus theta, is equal to cos theta itself. So we can write it in the positive term, and sin of minus theta will become minus sin theta. Now using this condition, we can write this as minus cos 4 theta. Sorry, negative will become positive here. So this will become positive. So no need to write this. So the negative will become positive. So it is cos 4 theta as it is. So we have written in this way. Only negative is changed as positive. And here in this case, we will have sin minus theta will become minus sin theta. So we can write it as minus I sin 4 theta. Now looking into this, we will have plus I sin 4 theta and minus I sin 4 theta. So these two terms will be cancelled and we will be left out with 2 cos 4 theta. So this is the answer for the first part, which is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, that will be equal to 2 cos 4 theta. So this is the answer for the first part. Now let us find out the answer for x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. So we are going to use the same condition to find out the answer. So let us find out. So this will become e power I theta the whole power 4 minus e power I theta the whole power minus 4. Now this will become e power 4i theta minus e power minus 4i theta. So this can be expanded using the principle cos theta plus I sin theta. So e power I theta is equal to this. So using this, let us expand the above values. So it will become cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta minus cos minus 4 theta plus I sin minus 4 theta. So as we written cos minus theta, this can be written as cos 4 theta, and cos of minus 4 theta will become minus cos 4 theta. So now let us write that. So this will be written as it is, and we will have this will become cos 4 theta. So cos 4 theta, since cos of minus theta will become cos theta and sin of minus theta will become minus sin theta. So here this will become minus sin theta. So already we have minus here. So minus into minus will become plus I sin 4 theta. Now look into this. We have cos 4 theta minus 4 cos theta. So this will be cancelled and we are left out with 2I sin 4 theta, which is the answer for the given question. So we have two part of answer. So the first part is for x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So that will be equal to 2 cos 4 theta. And for x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4, we will have 2i sin 4 theta. So the one thing you have to remember very carefully is e power I theta. This can be considered as cos theta plus I sin theta. So in this question, we have this value as x. So if we consider this as e power I theta, we can easily solve this question. So I hope you understood this question. Let us move on to the next. Now in this question, we are given with the function which is of xy terms, and we have to find dy by dx, that is differentiating with respect to y. Now let us differentiate this. It will become 2y. Since we are differentiating y with respect to x, it will become dy by dx minus, and this will become 2x minus, here we have x term as well as y term. So if we differentiate sine, this will become cos xy, and differentiating xy again. So first we differentiated sine, so sine will become cos, and we are differentiating the terms which are inside the cos, so that is xy. So if we differentiate this, it will become xy with respect to y. If we do is, it will become x dy by dx, right? Next, again we will differentiate keeping x as it is, and we will differentiate y. So what will happen, let's see here. So this will become minus cos xy, and with xy differentiating x, here it will become y, right? So here we are differentiating with respect to x. So here it is y, and here we are differentiating with respect to y. So this will become dy by dx. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, our aim is to find dy by dx. So we are going to write these two terms separately. So it will become 2y dy by dx minus cos xy. Here x is there, no? So keep it here. X cos xy dy by dx. So let us write this in the right hand side. So this will become minus 2x will become plus 2x. Same way, minus cos xy into y will become plus. So plus, we can write this as y cos xy. Since our aim is to find dy by dx, let us write dy by dx into 2y minus x cos xy is equal to 2x plus y cos xy. So since we have to find dy by dx, we can write dy by dx is equal to 2x plus y cos xy divided by 2y minus x cos xy. So this is the answer we have to find out. So hence we find the answer. I hope you find the video helpful. So we have solved some of the 2-mark questions which are involved in the first semester. So if you have any doubt, just pause the video and just watch it carefully. If you have any doubt, leave it in the comment section. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Thank you.